Hey guys, welcome to Dell Next Door. Today I'm going to be talking about my beauty favorites and a lot of them, so without further ado, let's get into it. For primers, I use the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm. Yes, Aftershave Balm. I actually found it on YouTube. I got to know about it through Nikki Tutorials and she said this really works, so obviously I was quite intrigued. And yep, this is an amazing primer. It makes your makeup last all day. I've never used primers in my life, but I think I'm going to get hooked onto this really soon. I also use the Garnier Perfect Blur 5 Seconds Smoothing Base Perfector. It is something that closes my pores because I have really large pores. I have combination skin, by the way. This helps me out to even the skin and so that you don't really have any large pores. But yeah, this helps. For moisturizer, I use the Boots Botanics Mattifying Gel Cream. It really is something that I got on a whim and it really helps. It helps me at least because I have oily skin and this does mattify my skin. So yeah. For concealer, recently my makeup artist friend told me that because I have discoloration on my face and I have a lot of pigmentation on my forehead. This is the Kryolan Camouflage Cream in Orange. It is something that I cannot live without. I have applied it today as well and clearly you can see that there's no discoloration on my face because it just evens it out when I apply my foundation. So this is one. Then the other concealer that I really like is Pro Conceal by LA Girl. I really like this because I'm not really a concealer person, but I got this hooked on again because of my same makeup artist friend. Shout out to Ruma Talukdar. I really love this concealer. I cannot do without this. The third concealer that I like, actually second concealer that I like, is the Bobbi Brown Tinted Eye Brightener. It's something that it's very lightweight. It does not make you feel cakey. And I definitely recommend this. For foundations, I use the Maybelline Fit Me. I have tried the Bourjois Healthy Mix. I've tried the Max Factor, but I think I'm really liking this and I'm going to get hooked onto this. It's kind of addictive. It's the Fit Me Matte and Poreless for normal to oily skin and it's in 310 Sun Beige. For the days that I am not using foundation because I normally use it only when I'm going out, I use a BB cream. This is the Garnier Miracle Skin Perfector. It's really nice because it is literally like your second skin. It's not something that you've put on and you feel really cakey. Even in the weather that's in Bombay, yeah, it's really nice. For smoothing it all out, I use these two. This is the Face of Australia Translucent Powder and e.l.f. Kabuki Brush. I cannot do without this because it really makes my makeup stay for as long as possible, especially when you're having one of those really long nights. For days where I don't want to apply lipstick or anything, I just apply this. It's like your lip balm but better. It is a little on the pricier side, but you can always have your Nivea or your Vaseline. But this is something that I really like and I really enjoy using. It's the Dior Addict. It comes together. This is the Lip Glow and this is the Lip Maximizer. It's something that actually gives you a slight pink tone to your lips. It's not just a balm that way. Then I like the Benetint from Benefit. It is a lip and a cheek stain. So I started using this and I think it's the best blush you can possibly have. You should definitely try it out. This is the best blush that you will ever use. This is again something that I picked up on a whim. It's the Maybelline Lip Gradation by Color Sensational. I've actually lost the cover, but so this is how it looks. And this is a smudger. I tried the smudger once, so I'm not really happy with the smudger, but it's definitely the perfect nude, a little darker than nude shade, but it's definitely the perfect nude shade for the Indian skin tone. This is something that I really like. Since I've bought it, I've been using it every day, including today. I cannot stop using this. I cannot do without this. Do check it out. They come in a lot of different shades, really nice shades, dark shades, light shades, and this is in Mauve 1. So if you want to try it, definitely try this out. This is another lipstick that I really like. It's the Rimmel London Kate Moss lipstick. It's in 107. It's your perfect let's go on a girls' night out kind of shade. I really like dark lipsticks, but after this has come into my life, I have ditched this, but I still use this once in a while. This is something that I actually put in my handbag whenever I go out because it's something really easy. It's the e.l.f. eyeliner and shadow stick. So this is the eyeshadow and this is the liner. It's obviously something really natural, something like easy breezy. Swipe it on, get out of the house. Every girl loves her winged eyeliner. So for that, you have the L'Oreal Super Liner Perfect Slim in Intense Black. It does not smudge, it does not run out. It's gonna be there on your eyes when you apply it till the end of the night, that's for sure. For mascara, I really like the Full and Soft Mascara by Maybelline. It's something that's really light. It does not make you feel that you're weighing your eyelashes down. And it's not waterproof, so this comes off easily the moment it's in contact with water and you wash your eyes. I don't really use any eyebrow fillers like these brow powders or gels or pencils whatsoever because I don't really need it. I'm using the brow sculpting gel. It's just to comb through and just set the eyebrows because I have curly hair. So yeah. This is what I picked up at Forever 21 very randomly at the cash counters. You know, you have these really cute little beauty stuff. So I like the brush. It's really soft and fluffy. The Forever 21 sponges are like really tough and they feel like you're beating your skin up. But I don't really use it, but the brush is really nice, so I picked this up. For the cheeks, I recently picked up the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Medium Coral 202. It's really nice. It gives you like the natural blush. The brush on the other hand is horrible. It's so tough and it makes you feel like you're scratching your skin. So I don't really recommend using this. If you're the kind of person who uses the brushes when they give it to you in these kits. So use a normal blush brush. Do not use this, it's horrible. Now this is something that I randomly picked up. I really like trying out new products. So whenever I go out, it doesn't matter if it has to be a very famous brand or a not so famous brand. If I want to give it a shot, I just try it. So this is the Savannah Colors Bronze Professional in 04. It's actually something that really intrigued me because it has like 3 shades. Savannah Colors is actually a Thai brand and it is something that I have really been liking because it's not too dark, it's not too light, plus you get the best of 3 worlds. So you get a highlighter, you get a light bronzer and you get like a really dark bronzer. So with my foundation, I use the Real Techniques sponge. This is better than your average beauty blender. It's softer. The Real Techniques sponge is more affordable than the beauty blender. It's even better than the beauty blender. So again, it works like your average blender. You just run it under water. You put your foundation on it and you just blend away. So yeah, it works really well. Saving the best for the last, these are the Gatsby Oil Clear Sheets. This is literally a lifesaver. You don't even have to carry your makeup when you're going out. You just carry these sheets and maybe carry your lipstick. That's about it. Because this just removes all the sweat and the oil and you will be surprised on how. Let's give it a try. My aunt actually got these for me. She got them from Thailand. She gave me like 5 of them. I've been using them sparingly because I am addicted to these. I have to take it with me. It's for guys and for girls. That's the best part. So these were all my beauty favorites. I will do more videos like these. If you all have any suggestions, please comment below and also tell me what you guys use. What are your favorites? I would love to know. I would love to try out new products. And if you do try out these, let me know how you like them. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those likies are very important. And keep watching. Bye guys.